Guys, today we can see about most interesting topic and very confusing topic in tech, the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. These terms get thrown around a lot, but what do they actually mean and why do they matter? Don't worry, I'll break it all down with some real world example and simple visuals that will make everything crystal clear. Ready? Let's dive in. So first off, let's talk about AI. Artificial intelligence is basically the idea of machines doing things that normally require human intelligence, like recognizing faces, making decisions, or even playing chess. For example, think of AI as an umbrella term. Underneath this umbrella, we've got all kinds of smart systems. Some might control your chatbot, other might be the brain behind Google Maps, get you to your destination. Not all AI is created equal. There are two types of AI. One is narrow AI, which do specific tasks like your phone's voice assistant, and that's general AI, which can perform any intellectual task just like a human. Now, under the AI umbrella, we have machine learning or ML for short. For machine learning is how machine gets smarter by learning from data. Instead of programming every single rule into the computer, we let the machine to look at data, find patterns, and improve over time. Think of it like teaching a dog new tricks. You give the dog some treats, like you can keep it as data, and over time, dog learns to sit, stay, or fetch. Outcomes will be based on patterns in the data. Here's a real world life example, like imagine you are browsing Netflix. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what shows you might like? That's machine learning in action. It looks at what you watched in the past and find patterns to recommend what you will likely enjoy next. Also consider YouTube. Next, deep learning, which is more advanced version of machine learning. Deep learning uses something called neural networks, which are inspired by how the human brain works. Imagine layers of interconnected neurons just like in our brain. This layer helps machine automatically find patterns and learn features from data even when the data is super complex. This is how things like self-driving cars or facial recognition system works. For example, let's say a self-driving car is learning how to recognize stop signs. It's fed thousands of images of stop signs, and through deep learning it gets better and better at spotting them in the real world, rain or shine. So now what's the big picture difference between AI, machine learning and deep learning? AI is like the universe. Within this universe we have machine learning, which is like one planet, and on that planet we have deep learning, a country that specializes in complex tasks. AI is the broadcast. Machine learning is a method within AI. Deep learning is a special type of machine learning that goes super deep with neural networks. Now that you know the difference, let's talk about how these technologies are impacting the real world. AI, ML, and DL are used in everything from healthcare to finance to entertainment. So, in healthcare, for example, deep learning models can help doctors identify disease in medical images like spotting cancer in X rays or MRI scans. In finance, AI helps detect fraud by analyzing huge amount of transaction data and flagging suspicious activities in real time. The applications are endless, and this tech is only going to get better. So now that you have a clear understanding of AI, machine learning and deep learning, which one interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to SAK Academy for more tech breakdowns and tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video where we dive deep into the neural networks and how they work, and we can also see more projects with the help of Python. Okay, so thank you friends.